Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Google Chrome on Samsung Galaxy Book. And to do this, first let's open our Microsoft Edge, as that should be the first browser you get. Now in the search we need to enter Google Chrome. Also, we need to have the internet connection, but I turned off my Wi-Fi. Now select the first link from the list, make sure that it's an official Google website, and here sadly it's in Polish, but it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to click on this blue button on the Google website, and it should instantly start downloading the Chrome. Now we need to open the setup file, select yes, and here wait till your Chrome opens. It should automatically open after installation. And the installation is finished. As you can see, we have our Chrome installed. Only thing left to do is to log in to synchronize our account. And the last thing to do is to click on the start and go for the settings to set our Chrome as a default app. So we want to select apps right here, then default apps, and now go for the web browser. Click on this plus button to choose Chrome as a default browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.